Make a great choice today with the 2016 CLS-Class. Simple infatuation quickly becomes an unwavering devotion. Comes with abundant power with quick steering that offers great feedback and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, four-wheel disc brakes, leather upholstery, low tire pressure warning, tachometer, navigation system, bucket seats, driver vanity mirror. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.